Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hi TA fam, welcome back again. To the new, to the old, to those that will still subscribe, welcome to the family. Can you guys see how delicious this soup looks? Guys, my phone is not doing justice to this soup. And yes, there's thunder, is about to rain, so this is not doing justice to this soup. The camera, my phone camera. Anyways guys, this soap is going to whiten your skin. At least gives you a shade or two shades lighter depending on your skin type. You know, some people have very tough skin, but don't forget to always use your sunscreen. Don't forget to always exfoliate your skin as well. So if you're new and you're just passing by for the first time, hi and welcome. This is Trendalore, a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle. So feel free to check out our previous videos, and I'm sure you're going to see something you love in there. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. So this is not organic, no, it is like pro-mixing, but a very simple method of pro-mixing, and it's very easy to do. So let's get right into this video. So these are the two soaps I'm using. This is Koji Carrot. This is the container here. So it's Koji Carrot. This is the name of the you guys see it. Oh, anyways, this is it, and it's bleaching plus. This other one too is what, this one is bleaching, not bleaching plus, but this one is four times whitening. This one is 5 times whitening. So this one, actually there were two types I saw, and you could tell that there's fake. This one is made in Thailand. The other one, you will know that it's fake. It wasn't even, the inside wasn't like this. And this one now, they wrote it in their Thailand language and all. They wrote it in their Thailand language and all, but that one they didn't, and it was just so, like, you would know that it's just so fake. So this one contains collagen and arbutin and carrot, while this one contains kojic acid, vitamin C and vitamin C glutathione. So I'm not going to be using everything, it's just, you know, a demonstration. This is how it looks like. And this one is called neon. That's it here. Neon. So I think this thing is a Nigerian made. I've never used these things, guys, but I just saw it and I was like, you know what, since it's bleaching and all, it's going to like work. And then the reason I picked them is because they contain, you know, the kojic acid, and this one contains carrot and all. This one contains vitamin C. Everything is like fruity. So I just want to shred it and grate, because I want to make just little. You can see it here, face and body black soap. That is this one, and it smells like tura. Remember tura? Is it tura? But I know this smell. So it can be used for both face and body, and it's a 5 times whitening, deep cleansing, anti-acne, revitalizing and smoothing. I was reading it through the camera, so this is how it looks like. And this one also is face and body as well. The soap, the same thing that it does for the skin. So it's cleansing, anti-acne. So I just cut it like this, and I want to grate it, and I'll come back. Already shredded them. You can see it in here. And now I'm going to go in with this bath. It's a Bismid. It's still whitening, rejuvenating, moisturizing. Don't know why it's not clear. And then it contains vitamin C. Get it here. And you know the soap also we're using contains vitamin C. So I'm going to be adding half a cup of this in here. You can use any, it doesn't have to be Bismid. Okay, I might add more. I will mix it first, then if I'm to add more. Okay, so I'm going to mix this. You can add any shampoo or any bath wash you have, or I've talked about shampoo, you can add any one, or you can add distilled water. Yes, you can add distilled water to it. You can just warm it up and add. It's going to make it melt faster. So I'm going to add this and I'm going to stir and come back. I just ordered my tripod. I think the head, or is it the head I'll call it, is broken, so at least I'll be able to do videos and you guys will be seeing how I'm doing everything. But this one, I'm the one holding it with one hand and trying to mix this with one hand, which is not even possible, so please bear with me. Okay, it's clear. So I'm just using this as for an illustration. You can see it. So you can leave this overnight and it's going to, so the this thing is actually enough. This thing is not clear. So it's actually enough. So the half cup is actually enough. Oh, I wish it can be clear so you guys can really see. So if you have a blender, stick blender, you can now mix it. Like if you want to give this out, you have to mix it. This one I'm just using it as an illustration. Storage is full. Why is this thing shaking? So in as much as this is not really necessary, I just want to add them. This is anti-reaction ball, that is anti-pimples, and this is whitening balls. So just put them. I don't know why this thing is just shaking anyhow. So I'm going to wash my hand again and mix this. So this is the point. If you have a blender, you can blend it, but if you don't have a blender, you know, I don't know what you do. I know someone that will say put them inside blender, it is for food. After all, I stop it. They used to wash the blender. I will not advise it, but this soap actually cannot get bacteria because it's very high. It contains very high pH. Bar soap usually contains a very high pH, which is why you can add fruits to it without adding preservative. But I would say get your blender, stick blender, or if you have mixer, anyone, just anyone that can work for you, you can just do it. Okay, I will not advise cooking blender because onions, pepper, all those things. But anyways, let me continue. So because it's a bleaching soap, like we saw in the container, it has so many things. I just want to put, this is snow white powder, a spoon of snow white powder, kojic dip, and this is carrot powder. It contains carrot already, but I just want to add more carrot powder to it. And this is sandalwood powder, so I'm going to be adding it in here. And I'm tired of soap with this color, so I'm going to change the color by adding more berry powder to it. So I'm going to stir this very well. So if you have any, if you want this to be extra whitening, then you can add your activator, whitening activator. You can add your serum, like 42-hour serum, or okay, there's one I even have here. So okay, yeah, this skin free milk. I'm adding. I was supposed to add like 2. So you can add any whitening serum you have. So it's finished. It's finished. You add it and then you mix. So let me mix this well and come back to you guys. So I'm going to be adding glycerin, 1 spoon. This phone is just shaking on its own. I really don't know why. And I'm going to stir this up. This camera is not doing justice. So guys, I added the mulberry powder and tea tree oil. So I'm going to mix this up. I want this mulberry to change its color because I don't want to add color. But it's looking like it's not going to change it. So like I was saying, yes, you can add your powders. You can add vitamin C powder, that is ascorbic acid. You can add your arbutin powder, snow white powder, kojic acid or kojic tea, any powder. Your whitening powders, you can add anyone you want to add. Then your whitening serum. Oh yeah, I also added this Nature's Secrets. Although I had it, that's why I just decided like let me add it to it. I added 1 spoon as well inside. Really don't have much, so I just decided to go with this one. Okay, so I'm going to mix this and come back. So next I'm going to be adding Shalom stretch mark oil, just a cup, and I'm going to mix this. See that shea moisture I was telling you guys about? This is the container. This thing is so not clear. Sorry about this one. Sorry for the way it's shaking. Let me mix. Oh, so don't forget to exfoliate your skin, guys. Don't forget to exfoliate your skin. And you can see this cup. This cup now is like 500 gram. It's 500 gram, and you just see the amount of soap we used. You can see the amount of soap we used that gave us this 500 gram. I just put it in this container. So it's 453 grams. So it's almost 500 grams, and it's really big. You see that shea moisture I'm talking of? If you have the shampoo as well, you can use it in mixing your own. It's very, very good. So guys, thank you so much for. So guys, this is our soap. Okay, it's about to rain. That's thunder. So this is the soap. So this soap is going to whiten your skin. First of all, the soap already contains like they call it bleaching properties. Trust me, I'm not sure that soap on its own is even going to bleach somebody. So they just wrote it like that. To me, I feel it's market strategy. But this is the soap. Everywhere is dark, so I'm using this light here. Okay, I'm using this light now. So guys, this is the soap. We're going to use it morning and night, and it's going to whiten your skin. Yes, at least it's going to give you like 2 shades or 1. 2 shades or 1, depending on your skin type and all. So this is it, guys. Yum yum. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.